Hey, what's up guys? D Brooks here with another video. So, something I wanted to go over with you guys. I have the speed engineering headers on my Yukon Denali. I'm putting a catback exhaust on right now. The clamps it comes with are like these. They're pretty much worthless. You're gonna wanna go ahead and upgrade to like this band style. This is is this it right here? Mm-hmm. The lap joint band clamp from Jegs. They're like $7 a piece because they step down, because these are slip-ons, and it pretty much makes it seamless. I'm gonna show you guys when it's all said and done what it looks like, but so far these are going on really well, and I think I'm gonna be pretty much leak-free when it's all said and done.